Today, I would like to tell you about what is data structure. Data structure is a very important concept in computer science. If you define it, you can see it is nothing but a set of organized collection of data plus allowed operations. This is a very simple definition that you can learn so that you can understand the entire concept of structure. Say, for example, if you take queue or stack, any example, you will see an organization for the elements in that data structure. In queue, as we know, the organization of data is nothing but FIFO. And there are operations also. When we tell about operations, mainly two types of operations are there. Some common operations which are common to all the data structures and some specialist operations. We are not talking about common operations. We'll only talk about specialist operations. Similar to that, if you look at the stack data structure, you can see last in first out is its organization. Elements are stored in last in first out manner. And you will see the operations like push and pop in data structures. Definitely, as I told you earlier, there may be some generic operations which we are not talking about, but specialist operations you can see. So this set of operations plus set of data which is organized in LIFO manner together constitute our data structure stack. Similarly, in Q, a set of data which is organized in FIFO manner plus operations like add queue, delete queue together form our data structure Q. You will understand the concept of data structure better when you understand why data structure is required. And to understand why data structure, I'll tell you one simple example. Most of us have the habit of using scribble pads, wherein which we may enter many telephone numbers, many other information, etc. etc. And if you wanted to find a person's phone number from this scribble pad, it becomes difficult for us because in scribble pad we don't keep any order for storing data or for writing data, so it is difficult to retrieve the information required. Whereas if you would have written phone numbers in a telephone index, the things becomes easy. Suppose you wanted to find the telephone number of Mr. Ram. What you do with telephone index is very easy approach. What we do is we directly go to the page which start with R and look at that page whether RAM is available or not. Hope you understood the concept I have explained to you. Thank you for your listening. Thank you very much.